Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've tried the famous NY dosas and here is my reaction.
Already?
Samosa kaవాలి.
Yeah, or samosa on drumstick or only samosa?
Only samosa.
Only samosa. Okay, green chutney.
Yeah.
Chili garlic you like, no?
Yes, yes.
On the side. Sambar na couple of one in the cup, one on the side, okay?
Okay.
Crispy kavalandi.
Yeah, crispy car.
And you have the booty with everything, right?
Yeah.
All the spice.
So good. మనకి పిచ్చెక్కుతుంది, ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళైతే చచ్చిపోతారు.